Hey there, welcome back to Mantic Stringworks. So we're back here with the coolest bass ever, this gold parts build, and I was just going to work on the body a little bit and the pick guard, and I realized the neck was loose, so I flipped it over, and what did I find? Well, I found the most Canadian thing ever, Robertson screws, and some 1 Phillips, 3 Robertson. So I think it's pretty cool, so I'm going to leave it like that. Let's see if I can even tighten these down. Oh yeah, okay. Ooh, that just spins. That just spins. And that just spins. So, there's another job. Yeah, that neck is not going to be tight enough. So I think we're going to have to take this off, plug the holes in the neck, and then re-drill so they fit properly. And I think we'll, actually I think I'm going to keep these because, like I said, it's uniquely Canadian, right? Even though Robertson screws are way better than Phillips screws, just saying. But they obviously are not the right size, and or the holes in the neck are just, you know, were drilled too wide, wrong diameter. And I think I'll leave it with the 3 Robertson and 1 Phillips just to frustrate someone in the future. Look at that. While we're at it, let's have a look at this neck. Wow, that didn't want to come out. Okay, well, nothing special. Any markings? Nope. Okay, I think we'll fill these up so that we can get some proper screws in there. Let me check and see if I have any neck screws, any Phillips ones. They seem to fit. So if I have some, I'll swap them out, I guess. I'll be a good guy. Hold on. Okay, well, here's a little hodgepodge of things. Okay, well, there's a neck plate with some screws. Here's some other screws. These ones look too slim. They're a little longer too. You don't want that. Let me just go through here and see. So like these are made for neck plates. Oh, it probably would work, but they're a little long. A little concerned about that. These go together with these ferrules, and these go with this particular neck plate. Are they shorter? Yeah, they are. Same size. Alright, well, maybe I'll use these. But I happen to have 3 of these. Let me think about that. Alright, so after some careful measuring, the thickness of the neck and the body plus the neck plate, we're about 54 millimeters. So when I measure this out, it's actually going to be to the underside of the head of the screw. So yeah, that's fine. We're at about 47, 48. So we'll be good. Now I'm curious to see if these holes will be too big for these screws too. Oh, they seem to be biting better. Okay, let's try putting the neck back on with these screws. What I'm finding pretty funny about all this is I'm trying to get angles with the camera so there's not so much gold glare. Oh god. Alright, we'll get these in. See if I can get these started with the driver. And again, these shouldn't, excuse me, the body, you're not screwing into the body. You should be able to push like I'm doing right there, straight down into the neck, and then engage in the neck. So I've got the clutch on, so we're not going to drive through this. Let's get them seated a bit. Turn the clutch up. And now we'll finish up with a screwdriver. Here, let me flip that over. Make sure nothing popped out. We're good. That's tightened up. This is very soft. Well, the body wood is soft. It's like basswood. The neck is maple, so when these bite, they bite hard. Okay, it's tightening up. The body's misshapen here a little bit. I'll show it. See if I can get a good angle on that. So the plate's not actually going to touch the body perfectly. It's bending it down a little bit, but nothing I can do about that. Okay, well, tighten up. And that's it. One neck. Hopefully that won't move.